Hey guys, what's going on? Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures with my buddy Dave, who brought his sister's rig down. And what is this?
It is a 2010 Dodge Journey.
2010 Dodge Journey. And we're going to be doing an oil change on it. So it's got the 2.4 liter in it. And, well, I guess let's get at it. Here, I'll move back so you can see it there. 2.4. Okay, let's get at it. Okay guys, there is the oil filter and the oil pan, and right there is the nut. That's a 1/2 inch nut. There's the oil filter. Now that's right at the front of the engine, as you see. So we'll start with taking out that and getting the oil out of it. Okay, I got this set up for you guys. Now, okay, like I say, this is a 1/2 inch. You want to check depending on your vehicle. Oh, there it is. Which it is. Now I got the oil catch band set up. And take that out and let it drain. And usually I pull the cap off the top too, just so it makes it flow out a little easier, you know what I mean? Okay, ready, set, there we go. There she's rolling. And we'll just open that up just a little bit. Just make it loose. That way the oil flows out of the engine better. So we'll leave it for a little while till it's just a drip left. Okay, we got it down to just a drip now. Let's get this back in. Okay. It's all cleaned off. This, you don't have to replace any gasket or anything. It's built right in it. So give it a tighten up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Right? Left. Come on. There we go. Now, you want to make sure it's tight, but not over tight. And I'll be honest with you, I had to pre-loosen this one because I went to take it off, and whoever put it on last, it was so tight. So give it a good pull. It's tight. Done. Give it a wipe off. Make sure there's no oil in that there. Now we got to move on to the filter. Okay, now we're going to take this oil filter off. Hopefully I can get in here okay. It's a tight fit in here. There. See, oil filter wrench, oil filter, and I got my catch tray underneath. You can pick up your oil filter wrench pretty well at any parts store. See, just leaking a little. Let that run down. Now this will be full of motor oil. So don't drop it, whatever you do. Okay, now, see how that has no gasket? I'll put this up here. Actually, you know what? I'll show you in a minute. Okay guys, you see right there, that's the oil, that's the gasket there. When you take off your filter, make sure that this comes with it, okay? Make sure that it's still on the old filter before you reinstall the new one. All right, you
going.
Okay, so Dave's running the camera, and I always make sure I pre-fill my filters. Whoops, spilled a little bit. There, it's run down. Okay, so with that being done, put a little bead of oil. Make sure you get this, Dave. Can they see me doing this? Put a bead of oil just around on the gasket. That way it has a good seal up against the engine. And I'll show you the filter that I pulled out and what I look for also. Okay, now I'm going to get underneath. I'll wipe that off first. I'll get underneath and put this on. Okay guys, and all you do is screw this on. Okay, it's tight, quarter turn if you want, or you can turn a little tighter if you want, but it's just got to be tight so it's not going to leak. Now we're going to check this afterwards when the car is running, but you know, usually quarter to half a turn is good. So that's tight. The oil drain pan plug is tight, so we're good for under the car. We can pull this out, the drain pan out, because we've caught all the oil, and we'll move to the top of the engine. And now we're just putting in the oil. Can you see that there?
Yeah, a little.
Okay, so we topped up the oil just about to the safe mark. Now, that's with the engine off. What we're going to do is start it, let it run for a couple minutes, and then we're going to check it again because it will go down. And then you top it up after that. Okay, give it a little run, nice and quiet. And we'll shut it off now and check the oil and top it up as it needed. Running? Okay. So it's down about the halfway mark, and that's full mark. So we just have to top it up just a little bit more, and then we'll be good. We'll check it once more, about half a liter. We'll check it once more, and we should be good to go.
We're done.
Right up to the top of the hash marks, so it's full. So now we just close it up, like put the cap back on, and we'll start it up and we'll take a look underneath for any leaks. And the oil change is done. It's pretty simple. Okay, it's running, sounds good. Oil's all topped up. Now go underneath this thing. No leaks, so I can pull everything out there. And for those of you who don't know, if your oil filter leaks, it is under pressure, so it's just gonna spray everywhere. So there you go, guys. Pretty easy. It took me a lot longer than it normally does because I gotta video this stuff, and it's hard to video this stuff and actually do work. So she's all good, ready to go. And that's a, what is it again, Dave? 2010 Dodge Journey, and that's an oil change on the 2.4. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you guys take care. Please be safe on the road.